Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
Hello, everyone. In this video, I will explain how to get the Ghost Armor white dye. This special dye allows you to customize your gear with stunning white color schemes, making your appearance truly stand out. Finding this merchant is also key to unlocking a unique achievement, so let's dive right into the details of where to find them and how to acquire these beautiful dyes for your collection. To find the white dye merchant, you'll need to journey to the first major region of the island, Izuhara. Specifically, head towards Wanderer's Pass, which is a notable mountain peak. As you approach, keep an eye out for white banners and strips of cloth tied to posts. These are clear indicators that you are on the right track. A question mark icon will also appear on your map when you are near the merchant's location. Once you've located the white dye merchant, acquiring your desired dyes is straightforward. The currency for these special colors is flowers, which you can find scattered generously throughout the island as you explore. Simply gather a good supply of these vibrant blossoms, then speak with the merchant. You can then exchange your flowers for a variety of white-based dyes, with most items costing around 5 to 10 flowers each. To ensure you have enough options, make sure to explore the island thoroughly and collect as many flowers as possible. These dyes offer a fantastic way to customize your favorite armor sets, giving them a fresh, pure white aesthetic. Remember, visiting both the white dye merchant and the black dye merchant will also earn you the Monochrome Master's Trophy. Enjoy transforming your look with these striking and elegant new colors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.